guys, welcome to a Content Gorilla 2.0 review video. So in the back video, I have already discussed about some of the features of the software, what are things you're gonna get, what are the bonuses you're gonna get. All this stuff I have discussed in the back video, so you can check it out. That video I can description link in the description down below. In this video, we're gonna talk about how basically this software looks. So I'm gonna show this software personally on my laptop screen. So I will show all the stuff how once you purchase this software for $37, what are the things you're gonna get with this software. So everything and some of the things you're not gonna get in this software. About that also I'm gonna discuss basically whether you should go for the pro version of this software or not, and all the things. Basically I will just generate the content using this software, and all this stuff I will just discuss with you. So stay with me and hope you will like this video. So now we move to my computer screen.
So hello guys, welcome to the review video of Content Gorilla 2.0. So as you can see, I am on the Content Gorilla page, and you can see it. It is Content Gorilla 2.0 software, and you can see here it is written hello and whatever your name is. So it is hello JVs now for now. So you can see this is the interface of Content Gorilla 2.0, and at the left side. So at the left side you can see there is dashboard, your site, bulk post scheduler, channel scheduler, article rewriter, post letter integration, post action setting. So we are going to explore all these things. We're going to see what are these things and how you can use these things. So stay tuned with me. Now there are lots of videos coming as a suggested video, but you can also but you can also search the video using the search terms, or you can also put the video URL. So if you want the content generated from a specific video, you can put the URL as well, and then you can order the video search by relevance, most recent and most viewed. So it's totally your choice, and creative license for the example of this video, I'm going to be order it by relevance, and I'm going to search Samsung S20. So I will search Samsung S20 and click on search. As you can see, there are lots of videos coming. So basically 6 videos are coming on first page. Then you can change the page, and then more videos will come. Now there is one quick suggestion from my side: go for the video with the long duration, because more the duration, more number of words will be available in the content of the article, and because of that SEO ranking of your article will also improve. So it's totally your choice, but I will highly recommend to go for a bigger video of like 12 minutes, 15 minutes, that kind of video. So we'll go on and create post. So before that, I will tell you one more thing. So let me search it once more time. So as you can see, actually there are 3 options. Create post. So create post is, as you might be aware, it basically create the post from the video. So create post will create the post from the video. Second option is add to tray. What this option does, it basically combine, like for example, I will add this video in the add to tray, then I will add this video, then I will add this video, then it will combine all the 3 videos, and it will then generate the content from all the 3 videos, and so your content will be of more words, and because of that your ranking of your article will increase. So it basically will combine all the 3 videos, and it will generate the content from all the 3 videos. The issue is this is available in the pro version. I'm going to talk about the pro version, whether you should go for the pro version or not, but before that I will just tell you this plus option. So as in the YouTube we have a watch later, same as this plus option work. This video will be saved in post later option, and then you can create the post from that video whenever you want. Now this option, you're gonna go and create post. So the post will be generated. So by default it is generated in English language, but there is an option for changing the language as well. See, English is the default language, but you can change the language according to your I will change the content into the Hindi language because I'm familiar with the Hindi language. So I will just show you to show that I will change it to the Hindi language, and you have to just click on Hindi, and it will be automatically will get changed. It take a bit of time, but it will be changed automatically. So that's really cool stuff. And if you can just see, it is 2453 words article has been generated. Also, you're getting the option to punctuate your article. We're going to talk. So you can see here the article is changed into Hindi language, so it's that cool. And in just some second it has changed to different language. So using this feature you can target different audience, different basically all majority of the audience on the globe. Now we will go on the English language. We'll change it to English language back because I want to show one more feature is the correct grammar. Now the issue is the correct grammar is not working on the Hindi language, and it is working on English language. So I guess they have they have put the correct grammar specifically for the English language. So I will recommend you to first correct it into the first correct the grammar of the English language, and then you change it to another language. This is my suggestion. Also they have generated one image as well, which is called a featured image, because so you can see here they have generated one image called featured image. So this image will be put as your front image for your article. Also they have generated a text. These are actually the video text which are converted into the post text. And I would like to tell you, YouTubers work very hard on their video text. So these tags are really great, and they are definitely going to be helping you for the SEO of your article. So the next feature is syndication. Basically this features allows you to connect your social media platforms, and you can post on that as well. You can post the you can post the article link, or you can post the images as well, or whatever you want. So this feature is also available. So you can also publish your you can also advertise your article or the post on social media, or also you can manage social media using Content Coiler 2.0. Now there is next option called publish. You can publish according to your wish. Like I have published one article, so I will just show you. Mm, so you can publish according to your wish. Like I'm going to publish this article. Also you can draft the article if you want, and you want to publish it publish it afterwards, and you can draft the article as well. So both options are available, as you can publish it or you can draft it. So these things are also available in it. So this will get published automatically. Now we'll come back to the content, and there is a option called correct grammar. You can use this correct grammar to just correct to make your article more grammatically correct. So this feature is also available, and it's really helpful. So congrats, your content has been posted, and also I have corrected grammatically. So if you just click on correct grammar, it will correct. See, or grammar errors in your content have been fixed. So these things are also available in it. So this feature is really helpful because then you have to go for another grammar tool like Grammarly, and then you have to check the grammar of your article. But now with Content Guide 2.2, your grammar is also checked. So you're getting the content generated, you're getting the featured image, you're getting the post tags as well, which will enhance the SEO of your article, and you're also getting your grammar being corrected. Now the next feature is add punctuation. Basically it will add the punctuations in your article. So the next feature is spin content. Basically this feature changes the words and some lines, because basically this feature makes your article more unique. So this thing is also available. You can just click on spin content, and your article will be bit more unique and bit more good. So even the sometimes the image get changed in the spin content option. The next feature is your site. So we'll just go in your site, and we'll see how these things work. So as you can see, this is your site, and you have to just add your site here. And once you add your site here, you can see the you can just manage the site from here. So I have added the site, and you can just manage the site from here. You can edit some things in it. Basically you have to for adding the site, you have to just add your website title, website URL, your username and the password, and your site will be added. So it's that easy. You can manage the site from Content Guide 2.0 from the your site option, or you can download the plugin and install it on WordPress. So it's totally your choice. The next option is bulk post. So bulk post is a really great option. Basically using this option, you can just choose you can just you have to just select quantity of the post. So for example, I want to post 4 posts on my website. You have to just select that. Then you have to choose the time interval. For the example, I will just select 30 minutes, and you can either draft the post, or you can just publish it. So it's totally your choice. You can choose the category from here. It might be, I will just choose internet marketing from here. And then you have to just a keyword. You can just keyword, like for example Facebook internet, Facebook marketing, Facebook marketing, Facebook marketing, then YouTube marketing, and digital marketing. And I will just put some keywords relevant to the topic, and then I will just schedule the post. So within 30 minutes 4 posts will be published on my website. So you just click on schedule post, and it will create the post from the videos automatically. So it is basically automatically creating the post for you to the relevant of the relevant topic. So for the internet marketing, it is automatically generating the post which will be which will be of digital marketing, YouTube marketing, and Facebook marketing, and the post will be posted on your website. So it's that easy. Also, you get a notification here that your post has been posted on the website. Now if you want to see your post history, then you have to go in post archive option. Here you can see all the previous posts they have been posted on different websites. So you can see I have posted lots of, yeah, there are total 19 entries. So you can see here different entries. You can see the post link, post through, post date, post title, website URL, all these things you can see here. So I will just go on Facebook marketing cursor. This post has been this article has been posted on the website. I have done nothing. I have not gone to any video. I have not searched any video, neither the URL. I have just I have just generated the bulk post using this software. They have automatically generated the uh, they automatically generated the image. See, they automatically generated image and all this stuff. They are automatically generated. So it's that easy. And also you can see the history of your post. If you want to share the link of the post, you can get the link from here. So that things are also available. So post archive is basically shows the history of your post. Post later option is basically the watch later option available in YouTube. You can just save the video here, and anytime you want you can create the post from that video. So now the next feature is integration. Now integration is really cool stuff. Basically from here you can manage your Facebook, Twitter, and and LinkedIn profiles. You can manage the Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn profile from here. You can just connect that, and you can manage from here. This feature is also available here. So you can manage your social media from using the integration option available. You can either share the link of your post. You can either share the any kind of pictures from here. Basically anything you want, you can use this feature to manage the social media platforms, or to make a connect with your website and social media platform. You can use this feature integration. Now next feature is scheduler and channel scheduler. Now scheduler and channel scheduler are available in the upgraded version, and upgraded version cost is $97 per year. So scheduler option which automatically schedule your content, and it will post your content the day you want, or after some hours you want. You can also put the time interval between two different articles, and that things are also available. Basically it will automate your job, and for $97 per year, I don't think it's a basically it's expensive, because if you want that thing to get automated, you can definitely go for it. $97 for a year is definitely a great offer. So now next thing is how to purchase this software Content Gorilla 2.0. So I have given the link down below. As you can see, this is the link I've given down below, get Content Gorilla 2.0 link, and to just click on the link and you will be landed on this particular landing page. And once you come on this particular landing page, you have to just enter email ID. Now I'm taking the email ID from you for the exclusive bonuses which you're going to get from my side if you just purchase this software from my link. To just enter your name or email ID, and once you click on next, you will be directed to the Content Gorilla 2.0 landing page. From there you can just purchase that software. On 5 December this software will be officially launched in the market, and then the cost will increase. So it's one time cost, and they will never made available, this software will be available at $37. They have already stated that. So you're getting $27 exclusive discount. So definitely you should go, and the features are also available. You have to just click on buy now, and you can then it's quite a normal process. The way you buy anything online, same you have to buy here as well. So So you can see $37. You can pay either from PayPal. So the way you buy from PayPal or JVZoo or any other platform, you same in the same way you have to buy from here as well. So it's that easy. If you have any coupon code, you can definitely put that coupon code as well, and then you can just buy it. So it's that easy. So you should definitely go for Content Gorilla 2.0 software, because I think this is one of the software which is one of the best software in the market, and no software of this sort has been made in the market till now, and you're getting it for $37 now. The cost is going to be increasing, so go and purchase it. I've given the link down below. Just put your email ID, and once you put the email ID, you will get the bonuses from my side. These bonuses include 5 ebooks related to YouTube marketing, related to LinkedIn marketing, different social media marketing ebooks, and also related to lot ebooks. I'm gonna also share the checklist as well for starting your websites and blogging career, and also I'm going to be sharing lots of newsletters as well, also the email strategies. So all this stuff will be shared with you, or uh, there are almost 10 to 12 bonuses for you, and you are getting this software for $37, which is a one-time cost. So I really think you should definitely go for this software. So this was all from my side. If you really like the video, do like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, friends, for watching my video till now.